This is the Simmons 850 SB yard hydrant repair kit. We'll go ahead and get everything out of the box. There we go. You can see it'll come with the 2 straps. The pack 3 O-rings, the plunger, the pivot connector, the adjusting screw, and the packing. We can go ahead and take a couple measurements of each part here. We'll start with the plunger. You can see from tip to tip, plunger measures right below 2 inches. And we'll measure the straps. So the total measurement of the straps right above 3 inches. You can see it's the same for this one as well. We'll measure the O-rings. And the O-rings measure right above 1/2 inch. And the adjusting screw and nut. See, it measures right at 2 inches, a little bit below. And the pivot connector is right at 1 inch. That measures right above 1/2 inch, almost right at 3/4 of an inch. Yeah, so once again, this is the 850 SB yard hydrant repair kit for the Simmons yard hydrants.